so let's go to your business, Sophia. Let's go, Nathan. Let's go. We're gonna do opening. Okay, so we're going now sa Banana Bliss na business. So I'm giving Sophia a 10% stake dito sa bagong business here in Torres Farm, which is the Banana Bliss. So nakita namin siya sa TikTok na it's very popular in the US, dun sa along the coast. I think that's Orlando, Florida. And sabi ko sa industrial partner ko, which is may EA, si Claudine and si Anna, let's conceptualize and let's bring it to Torres Farm and Resort. So tara, puntahan natin ngayon yung business. Okay, so now we're gonna do the opening. Oh, yan, oh, may mga tao na. Hello! Magde-dessert. Yes, so very refreshing to. Yan. Okay. Yan. Okay, so ito ang industrial partner ko. Okay, so tingnan natin, ano ba meron dito sa Banana Bliss? Okay, so frozen banana. Diyan nakalagay, patingin nga. Ayan. Marami ba tayong stock ngayon?
Marami naman po, sir.
Okay, yeah. Then ito yung magiging mga toppings.
Yes po, meron po tayo, sir.
Oo. Ayan, ayan yung banana.
Opo, ayan po.
Oo, okay, yeah.
Meron din tayo sa mga available syrup.
Syrup.
Caramel,
Okay.
strawberry po.
Yan, o, diba? Exciting. Sarap talaga. Ito si Anne, one of the industrial partner, and Claudine. Diba? Parang ano lang natin to, 1 week. Kinonceptualize natin. And there we go. Here we are. That's how fast we are in terms of kung ano yung magandang idea, not just in the Philippines, but in the other country. We're putting it here in Torres Farm. Yan. Okay, so hinihintay lang namin yung banda para makapag-start na kami ng ribbon cutting. So far ngayon may mga nabili. The kids are just waiting. Here we go. The dancers are here. Okay, so order kami para Pia, what do you want? What do you want for
I don't know.
you want the old the same?
Or the banana, but I always have so much M&Ms and marshmallows.
Okay, so maybe let's lessen the M&Ms, okay?
Yeah, let's say.
Okay, so you want M&M and
A little bit of marshmallow and M&Ms
okay.
and
Chocolate.
oh yeah, the
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay, so can I order half banana with 2 toppings and strawberry syrup? Okay.
Ano sir, by 2.
Ha? O sige, dalawa. Buy 2. Hindi, buy 1 lang. O, so 1 lang. Pero may promo pala kaming buy 2, get 1 free. Woo! Okay. So, ang gagawin is i-dip M&M's and marshmallow. Oo, ng marshmallow.
Then
And strawberry, yes. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Pia. O yan, sa inyo na kung ano gusto nyo. Pia. Pia. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll take it out and eat it. Okay, so nakatapos na kami ng aming opening ng Banana Bliss. Hindi namin sinama ang mga other kids, si Mishka at si Nikki, kasi may other business na naman sila. Like Potato Corner, Golf Cart, Tender Juicy. So, si Sofia yung interested na mag-invest dito sa Banana Bliss. Alright, thank you for watching our vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!
Bye bye.